This is the first in a series of videos about managing the data you collect during your research. In this video, we'll cover the importance of data to research. What are we talking about when we say data? There are many definitions for data. Throughout this video series, we'll treat data as information artifacts that researchers used as evidence in support of research claims. Data can take the form of specimen, instrument measurements, survey results, or many other things. Gathering and then analyzing data is key to producing new knowledge, and there are many ways to gather data. The types of data that you use to support your research will depend on the phenomenon you study and how you choose to study it. For example, if you are studying people's opinions, you may distribute a paper or electronic survey to participants and use their responses as your data. This would be observational data generated by recording observations of events or phenomena captured outside of a lab or controlled environment. During your research, the observational data could also be combined with reference data. Reference data are existing data sets that can be used for validation, comparison, or to look up information. In our opinion survey example, census data could serve as reference data. When combined with the data from your survey, the census data can help you to draw new conclusions. Data are essential to the research process. You will use data as evidence for your research claims, and other researchers may also want to use the same data to validate your claims. Research data also takes time and effort to gather. When you collect your data, ask, can the data be recreated if they are corrupted or lost? In some cases, the data are impossible to recreate if lost. For example, if the responses from your opinion survey are lost or deleted, it may not be possible to ask participants to retake the survey, and it could be too costly to find new participants. However, the responses are crucial to answering your research question, and may also be useful for future research projects. Good data management practices aim to reduce the risk of losing data, and to make it easier for you to work with your data. In the next videos, we'll cover data management practices to ensure that your data are usable throughout your research and beyond.